All right, over-the-air update. I used my phone. I hot-spotted the phone, and the password you have to use is 12345678. Turn on the bike. Let it boot. Go over to the settings menu. Go all the way down to the bottom or close to it. Oh, it's the bottom. System update. You can see the top. Oh, I don't know if you can see that or not. Maybe not. It was looking for a look at all these Wi-Fi around here. Holy cow. But you know what? I might have turned my hotspot back off. Standby. Okay, hotspot's back on. Let's see if it finds it this time. I mean, I could go upstairs and change my Wi-Fi router to that, but I'm not going to do that. Let's refresh it one more time. There it is, FBI secure link, checking for updates. Connect to the top one, that's my hotspot. Secret's out now, sorry. So the bike connects to the internet and it's checking for an update. This is the latest version, confirm. And the reason it's saying that is because I just did an update and there was an update. You have to leave the key on, bike on. It probably took 15 or 20 minutes, so make sure your battery's charged. And that's that.